Hey there, muscle car fans. Thank you for watching this pedal to the metal video. Today we're going to show you this completely restored beautiful 1969 Yenko style Camaro in the perfect fantastic color Hugger orange with the silver Yenko stripes. This car is highly detailed. Everything you see on this car is either new or restored, and the underside is just as clean as the top side of this car. The engine inside the car you see here is a true 1969 big block that's equipped with the 427 performance heads and all kinds of special details. It's been completely rebuilt and hooked up to a 1969 correct 4-speed manual transmission. That makes this car truly fast and a lot of fun to drive. As you can see, the engine bay is also highly detailed. It's got all the correct Yenko emblems, and everything here is just clean and as good as it gets. The paint on this car is amazing. It's got a great shine. It's a high quality paint job, and all around this car you can just see how great the quality is. It's also equipped with brand new wheels and tires. It's got great classic style American racing wheels, 17-inch, and also the interior of this car, just like the original Yenko cars, is pretty clean. Not many luxury items, but that's the way those Yenko cars were. This is just a pure muscle car, which is also built that way. But it's beautiful black interior. Everything here is also very nice and clean. It's got the correct Yenko style headrests, and it's got, of course, the manual 4-speed floor shifter, which is a Hurst shifter. And everything on the dash and all the gouges are fully functional. It's also got a very nice rally style steering wheel, which gives a little extra addition to this interior. And well, as you can see, it's just a great car. We're going to walk around this car to show you a little bit more about it. But if you want more details and more information, just go to our website. It's on www.pedal2themetal.nl. There's lots of pictures there and a full description of this car in every detail.